Hi, how are you? Listen, today, look at that. I'm going to make a bloomin' onion. Have you ever made any? I haven't. So hopefully this goes well and doesn't turn into a fiasco. So I'm going to start off. I have some milk here. I'm going to add an egg to that. We're going to get right on this. Got my grease heating up over here. And we're going to add seasoning. I'm going to add seasoning to both of these. I'm going to put flour over here. Make sure I get plenty in there to coat this. This is a really large onion, so I want that to go well. And I'm going to season both of these. The milk egg mixture and this is all-purpose flour, by the way. And I'm going to season both of them. I'm going to throw some onion powder in there. Some black pepper. Some salt. Some Italian seasoning. Could just use oregano, but I'm just going to use what I have. Some paprika. And I don't have any cayenne pepper, but I'm going to use a little bit of this Creole seasoning. Give it just a little bit of a kick. I think my container is almost empty. Oh no, there's some in there. A little bit of cumin. Not too much. And I think I got that all. And so we're just going to mix this up. Wow, that didn't happen. And we're going to cut up this onion and get this going. All right, so let me get this going here. I want to take a little off the top. And we're not taking off the bottom because we need something for it to sit on. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Get those roots off of there. I know this takes a minute. Now I'm going to turn it over and we're going to make some cuts in this. We're not going to go all the way to the bottom here because it needs something to set on. So actually I'm going to go square all the way around. Try to make these cuts across from each other. And then I'm going to go in between. Always trying to stay part way down. And I think we need more than that. So we will go again in between these cuts. I don't want it to fall apart on me, so let's see if I can make this happen and not have too many big cuts. Down a little bit. And I think I got it. No, that one's a little big. Looks pretty good, right? All right, first I'm going to put it in here and hopefully it doesn't all fall apart on me. I think I want to tip it in and then flip it over. Get it a really good coating. We love bloomin' onion and we don't get to get it except when the fair is going, which won't be till September. So that's a long time to wait. And I gotta get my hands messy here. want to get this all in between each layer so my flour sticks to it. This is going to definitely be a messy job, but I want to get it in between every layer, so just work at it. And I did add some extra seasoning. I added some cilantro leaves, dried cilantro leaves in here. I want every single one of these petals coated. So I don't want a lot of excess. I think we did it. Oh, a little spot right there. Okay, I think she's ready. All right, guys, I think my shortening, my grease is really hot enough, and I'm going to go ahead and get this bloomin' onion in there. And it's not deep enough, but that's okay. I got a plan for that. All right, I got my bloomin' onion out. It didn't come out very well. It's actually kind of grease soaked. I don't know if my grease wasn't hot enough or what. If you have any tips, let me know. So let's move on. I'm going to make some onion rings instead, and we'll see how they come out. All right, so my onion rings, they're crispy, but they're not very brown. They don't look horrible. But I know something that I forgot to add to my flour mix, and that was some cornstarch. So let me put some of this in here, and then we'll see how this goes. See if it makes a difference at all. They're certainly cooking good now. These aren't horrible. They're just not super golden brown. Hopefully my grease is not too hot. All right, so the bloomin' onion was a no-go. Did not come out good at all. Not sure what I messed up there, but maybe you know. And my onion rings didn't come out too bad. These are crispy, but they didn't come out really dark brown. They're just a very light brown. And these came out very crispy after I added the cornstarch. So maybe that's the trick. So I'll see you guys next time.